This is the Philips Norelco Multigroom 7000. I consider myself a bit of an expert. After all, this is the Multigroom 5000, and this is the Multigroom 3000. From the box, 2020 Grooming Men's Health Awards, 5-hour runtime. Fully washable, that's a big difference. The other two are not fully washable. It says here that it requires no blade oil like other trimmers do. And it's the stainless steel model, the model with the stainless steel body. Detail shaver, precision trimmer, extra wide hair trimmer, nose and ear trimmer, 5 beard and stubble guards, 2 body guards, and 6 different head guards. So this is for trimming the body, trimming the head, trimming the beard. If you've got hair, this is meant to trim it. So now it's time to test it by trimming the beard. I prefer to use the 3mm guide. Snap it on from front to back. It's the same way that you take it off from back to front. Before I get started, I do want to say the 7000 is a way better build than the 5000 or the 3000. Because the top mechanism is so similar on the 3000, the 5000, and this one, the 7000, you may not want to believe me when I say this, but I got the best trim out of the 7000, the most comfortable and the best trim. Now, that's not surprising. It's also the most expensive of the three. Even though it's the most expensive of the three, I think it's the best value. It's certainly the best quality. And it is the 7000 that I believe gave me the best value for the money that I spent. So thanks, Philip Norelco, for making some really, really good products.